Nahanyate nahanyamane sharire. Nahanyate hanyamane. But Radharani is saying, Hanta Sharanam, Bhavita Hanta Sharanam. I want to take shelter of death. This is deep. The Manjri Upasak, someone who's cultivating Manjri Bhav, Gopi Bhav. Gopi Bhav means Radharani's Bhav. Manjri Bhav means Radharani's Bhav. Bhav Taratmika with Radharani. Bhav Taratmya. We have to be one with the Bhav, the feelings, the mood, the emotion of Radharani. So sometimes Radharani is having prayog. She's having prayog, or she's having Milan with Krishna in a Sambhog Milan, meeting Krishna, enjoying with Krishna. And the gopis, Manjris are very happy. Manjris experience so much ulas, happiness, all the happiness of Radharani. It's called Bhavulas, Bhavulas Rati. The Rati, it's considered by Rupa Goswami Pad and Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu, although it's in itself, it is like a separate Sthai Rati, but it can't be an independent Sthai Rati because it grows out of the Madhura Rati. So the Madhura Rati, the amorous loving mood of the gopis towards Krishna, specifically Bhavalas Rati means that Rati, that deep emotional loving attachment for Krishna, whether it's Sakya Rati or Vatsalya Rati or Dasya Rati or Madhurya Rati. The Madhurya Rati of the gopis is Parakiya Bhav. Their mood and bhav is, we're married, he's not. We're married, he's our lover. Paramor love. Utpati Bhav. Pati Bhav, love for my husband, my Swami, my married husband. And Utpati means an additional, another Pati, master, lover, controller, friend. My amorous hero, my Nayak. Dear Lalita Nayak Sri Krishna. So the Manjri, all these verses are Anukulya for the Manjri Bhav. Whole Ujjwal Nilamani is for Raganuga Bhakti. What Raganuga Bhakti? The Raganuga Bhakti of Gopi Bhav. What Gopi Bhav? Manjri Bhav. What is the Bhav of the Manjris? The Manjris, their Bhavalas Rati means that Bhav, that emotion, those feelings that ulas rise in context of one's loving attachment to Radharani. It's only, Bhavalas Rati, it only exists for Sakhis and girlfriends of Radharani, or it can be girlfriends of Chandravali who have Bhavalas Rati for her. But it means that generally it applies to the Manjris, it can also apply to some Sakhis, that they have so much oneness with the heart of Radharani, so much loving attachment to Radharani's heart. In its, Sri Pandit Baba, my Gurudev, he described, although some acharyas say it's a separate Sthai Rati of the Manjris, he said no, that it is a branch. He said it is a form or an expression, a branch of the Madhurati. Madhurati means the amorous love. It can be conjugal, married love. Conjugal means married. It can be married love or Sringarati, unmarried love of the gopis and Manjris and Vrindavan with Krishna. So the Manjris are in this Madhurati, but they don't have vilas with Krishna. So when Radharani is enjoying intimately Sambhog vilas with Krishna, Sambhog Milan, that's called prayog. Or when it's complete and absolute samriddhiman, like riddhi, all the money. Samriddhi sambhog means a rich, very, very enriched and wondrous and amazing meeting of Radha and Krishna, completely, fully satisfying. Samriddhi, all the wealth and luxurious emotions and samriddhiman. And then there's Samshipta and Samartha, many different, 3-4 types. So Radharani's enjoying, and the Manjris also so much lost and enjoying because they're one with Radharani's heart. But now Radharani's burning in a separation. So when Radharani's in Proshita Bhartrika Bhav, that's her Nayaka Bhav. Her Nayaka Bhav is our Bhav. We are not Nayakas. We are Tad Tat Bhavat Bhavichatmika. Tad Bhav Ich Atmika. Our Atmika, our Atma, our desire is to experience the bhavas and feelings and emotions of Radharani. So, whereas the Sakhis like Lalita, Vishaka, Chandravali, Radharani, there's some bhog ichatmika. Their Atma, their mind and heart and transcendental forms